Hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here with Lean Strategies International LLC. This week, we're going to be looking at another important feature, or I guess basic set of knowledge that you need for Google Sheets, and that is how to navigate through a Google Sheet once you've opened it. So you'll see right behind me, we have a blank sheet right here, and we're going to take a look at some of the navigation in Google Sheets. And you can see right up here in the top left hand corner, this is where you'll see your Google Sheet name, so you can rename it. And there's links also in the description or in your handouts that will guide you to those videos if you want to learn how to rename it. But this is where you'll see the name of your Google Sheet. Over here, you'll see the file that your sheet is in. So this one is in for filming. And if you want to change that, you can click on it and re-navigate. We're not going to change it. We're just going to leave it the way it is. You'll also see right next to that move file button, the status of your document. So when you click on this, you can see if you've made any changes, for example. You'll see that all those changes are saved, which is a great feature because you want to know that everything you're doing in there is going to be saved. You can also turn this feature on if you want to be able to access it offline. So that's that top section right there, and you can see it's saving, and it's saved to the drive right there. And we're going to go ahead and jump down here. Now these are what's called drop-downs. Now these drop-downs, if you click on them, are going to give you access to different things. For example, you'll see format, where we can format our numbers. We can do conditional formatting. You'll see insert, where we can insert a lot of different things like drop downs, emojis, and a few other things. You'll see a view. We can freeze columns, rows, all that stuff from here. We can group cells. We got edit file, data, extensions, all that great stuff. So click on your drop down menu and take a look at those. It'll help you later on as you're navigating in your Google Sheet. And right below our drop down menu, we have what's known as our toolbar. And you'll see that's all of these items right here. Now the toolbar, if we click right here on this arrow, it'll hide our drop down and give us a full screen. I'm going to go ahead and leave it open just for purposes of this video. But you can see in our drop-down menu, you can change the size, we can zoom, we can go back to normal. We have menu options, we have undo, redo, we can change the formatting of the color, we can group cells, all that great stuff right here. We even have some filter views, and those will be covered in future videos. But this is your toolbar menu right here. Now, if you want to find an option really quick, you can click on this menu and you can type in what it is you're looking for. It'll pull up real quick. So let's just say we want to insert a note. We type that in. You can click on it. It'll even give you a little shortcut, and we'll cover some of those in future videos. So that's your drop-down menu and your toolbar menu right here. Now, right below it, you will see what are known as our columns. Now, if I click on the C column, it'll highlight the entire row. And these columns will help guide you as you build stuff in your Google Sheet. Over here, we see some numbers. These are what's known as rows. So if I click on row 5 or row 6, it'll highlight that entire row, and that'll help guide you as well. Now, these individual squares are known as cells. So this is one cell right here. And if we click on it and you see it highlights it, that's known as our active cell. So if we click here and we highlight a group of cells, this is a range of cells, and it'll still have your active cell shown in the highlighted one. Then when we come down here, we can see that we have our tabs on our sheet. You can rename it, you can protect it, you can change colors, all that great stuff that we'll cover in future videos also. And so this will identify your tab right there. We can click right here to see all of our different tabs that we have, which you see right now, we just have sheet 1. We can add another sheet or another tab right here just by clicking on it, and you'll see it'll throw it on there. And then we can go back and forth if we want. And over here, we have our version history. This will show us like our last edits. We also have this great feature to comment on stuff. So you can open up your comments and check to see if anyone else has commented or if there's any tasks been assigned. And then we have this wonderful feature to actually share this with somebody in a Google Meet. And that way you can both look at it, you can interact. Google Sheets is great for that. And then we have the other share button right here. Currently it's private only to me, but we'll go over that share button in later videos. So those are some of the basic navigation features of a Google Sheet that'll help you get started. Now remember, if you have any questions or you see something that we didn't cover in great detail, go ahead and comment down below or leave a question in the community and we'll address that as quick as we can. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, and we're going to keep expanding on our Google Sheet series, so this will turn into one long tutorial at the end of it. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International LLC.